Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we are back. We are working on getting caught up. Want to see what we're doing today? We are unboxing Mickey Loot. This is their B ticket box. Cost us 75 bucks, free shipping, and that's all coming up right now. Alright, let's dive into this and see what we got going on. Alright, before I get into this, I wanted to apologize. Recently I was looking at our YouTube, all the statistics and everything for our YouTube channel, and I realized that you guys have watched our videos for a total of 10,000 hours. I am so sorry. You guys need to find something else to do. Just kidding. Thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate it. Alright, here we go. Got a card. Let's see here. This is the spoiler sheet. We'll hang on to that. And on the card it says, Chris, sending this box with a large dose of Mickey. Yeah, can't go wrong with that. Hope it brings you joy. Mickey Loot. Alright.
No, it's got glitter in it.
It does have glitter in it. Oh, it only popped out the front. Oh, it's all pretty. Okay. Oh, it's a print. Covered in glitter. Look at that! Oh, that is so cool. Let's see. I'm gonna move this. I feel a little... Okay. McBiff the Conductor. David McNeely, aka McBiff, is a Huntington Beach, California born and bred resident. The name McBiff came from his Uncle Gus at the age of 19. Uncle Gus thought herself to be somewhat of a comedian. Although the nickname McBuff never stuck, the legend would live on. I can read. I swear I can read. I was asked to paint a glass descriptive sign for a hot rod a friend of mine built that he would be taking on tour to various car shows. He asked me to paint it in a style I was not a fan of. After many calls and pleas, by my said friend, I'm gonna get through this. I lost my place. I finally agreed, but told him I would not sign my name to it, so I signed it as McBiff. I liked the way it looked so much I just stuck with it. I just wish now that the first time I signed as McBiff, it wasn't on something I loathed. Interesting. When you put all the pieces together and link all the words like a sentence. That's really cool. We will definitely frame that, and that is going up. I will throw a better picture from the photo box so you don't have all the glare. Boop. Nice. That is a good start. Not the reading. See, I'm telling you. I think Mickey Loot goes right to the park and gets these. This is Disney stuff. Unless other places use it, but I've never gotten it anywhere else. Is it a mug? Look at this! So it's a Mickey, and it's got that, like, kind of print where it looks like he travels a lot. You know, like just stickers of all kinds and stuff like that. And on the back it says, "It was all started by a mouse, Walt Disney." That is really cool. Very nice. I'm using that tomorrow. Mary's saying, because she thinks she's taking it to work, but she's wrong.
Brother the dealer.
I'll throw this in the photo box on the turntable so you can take a look. Boop. Very cool. And oh, glitter shut off. All right. Oop, there's another thing. Okay, we're gonna start with this. It is another keychain, but this is Hollywood Tower of Terror. It has a, I don't know if it's real leather, but it looks like leather and stitched around the outside. One side has their logo and it says the Hollywood Tower Hotel. The other side says room 1313. Thanks for dropping in. So, this is teal, which is $12.99. So, unlike that other box company that shall remain nameless, that had one with their name on it and charged $20 for it. It was like an iridescent plastic one. I like this one. And it's got a really nice ring on it, so that's really cool. And because it's leather and it kind of has that style, I think we'll put this in one of our classic cars on that key. Cool. Thank you very much. Dig it. One last thing. Ready? Joffrey's Coffee. It's Kona Blend Medium Hawaiian beans blended with mild Central American beans to enhance the natural flavor. Oh. That smells really good. Cannot complain with any Joffrey's or Disney coffee. I love that. Cool. Alright, so let's take a look at the spoiler sheet. I will throw this up on the screen for you to take a look. Boop. Alright, so and again, this is their B ticket, which is $75 and free shipping. Coffee, $19.99. Silhouette mug, $19.99. The McBiff, $29.99, and the keychain is $12.99, like I guessed. I'm pretty good. Grand total $82.96, so we paid $75 total out the door, and it's $8 more than that. So for a $75 box, I'll talk in a minute. For a $75 box, it's not bad. Definitely better than the other ones that we've been canceling. So, and it's all Disney stuff. It's so cool, and I really think that they actually got this right out. They may have gotten all this right from the park. Can't complain about that. If I can't tell that it didn't come from the park, they're on the right path. Alright, that's it for today. If you would like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here, and if you'd like to subscribe to our, weird channel, click the button right here. Hope you're having a great day.